कर कृपा तेरे गुण गावा, कर कृपा तेरे गुण गावा, कर कृपा तेरे गुण गावा, कर कृपा तेरे गुण गावा।
Our Indian rituals have always taught us to take blessings before beginning with something new. Today, the Kagai team is super excited to announce a new series called The Favorite 5. In this series, we will be traveling and exploring top 5 characteristics of our favorite cars. This series will ultimately help you make a better decision while choosing the next companion for your family. But wait, which car do we have today to drive? Let's find out.
Especially now, the growing concern for safety is the most important and most crucial aspect of everybody's life. We Indians deserve safer cars, and Mahindra takes this very seriously. Right now, this mask keeps me safe from this unsafe crowd, this huge crowd. Same way as the segment's best 7 airbags of the Mahindra XUV 300 ensures extra protection during unfortunate events. Now facts reveal the real truth. XUV 300 according to Global NCAP is the safest vehicle of India. That too even with 2 airbags. Additionally, you get 4 disc brakes for better and confident braking. A fun fact for you guys, XUV has the most torquey engines in this segment. Be it petrol or be it diesel, they both puts up a smile on my face every freaking time. Do you know what the best part is? You don't even have to shift down to overtake a fast vehicle, even on 110 or even on the highways. I can easily overtake, no issues there at all. In simple words, it's fun to drive, it's quick, it makes you smile, and it roars like a beast. Thanks to its huge size, the overall design of this SUV looks very bold and aggressive. The stylish headlamps along with the edgy bonnet also makes the road presence quite appealing to the eyes. I think this is the best looking Mahindra I've ever seen. What do you think? SUVs are meant to be big and they should provide ample space for all the passengers in the car. Interestingly, the XUV can accommodate more than what you think. Come, let me illustrate. Let's meet the Car Guide family, the team behind all our amazing videos. Do you guys have anything to say to our audience?
Yes, of course. Subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
You heard them, right? As the overall width of the XUV 300 is actually more than of Creta, 3 persons can easily sit here for the long drives very comfortably. There's one thing I've learned, exclusive things never goes out of fashion. XUV 300 is the only vehicle in this segment with 17 inches alloy wheels, which look sporty as well. Other exclusive features you get are the 7 airbags. You also get the dual zone climate control, steering modes and all 4 disc brakes too.
शॉट रेडी है? आ रहा हूँ 1 मिनट.
We just played an over, but the video isn't over yet. Let's discuss a drawback of the XUV 300.
A wise person once said, nothing is perfect. There are flaws in me, there are flaws in you, there are flaws in this XUV as well. This is an SUV, but unfortunately it has a boot space of just 257 liters comparatively with the Maruti Suzuki Swift here. So 5 persons, 4 persons on a weekend trip and their luggage is going to be a little problematic. If you are looking for a performance and safety oriented vehicle, do have a test drive of the XUV at your nearest dealership. Check the on-road prices on our website and share this video among your friends and family and hit the subscribe button as well. With that said, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.